Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this swirl card. So that's how it looks, and you can see there's like a swirly X, and then when you open it there's some writing like that and some coloring and drawing. So all you need is some paper. So I've got paper here, a ruler, or you could get like a circle can and use half of it, and some scissors. And you also need a pencil and some things to decorate with. So I'm gonna use this pen, this fine liner, and I have some coloring pencils. This is just some of them. Okay, so let's get started. So you're going to, you can see this side, put this right there, like that. Open your pen, or you could just do it in the middle, like that. So it's like that. Then you're going to trace around it. So this is the first step, which is actually the shape of it. So you're gonna do that. That's how it looks. Then you're gonna put this corner right there, make it straight, and draw another one. So at the end it's kind of gonna look like a flower with semicircle petals. So we're gonna do that again. Doesn't matter if you can't see anything there, you just leave that part when you're tracing. So go like that. And then that part, just leave it. Start from the other side. Okay, now we're going to do this side. So put the ends together and trace. And you can also put lines, like ruler line over here. So just gonna do it. And then we're gonna do one here. And here. And also on this side. So that's how it looks. And then you're going to get your scissors and trace it, cut it out. And when you're cutting, just make these parts a bit smaller. So if you see over here, let me just show you guys. If you see this, it's actually like puffing up, but if you want it to stay flat like that, then you're gonna have to cut these a bit smaller. It depends on the size of your ruler. So my one's just a bit too big for them to be flat like that, but that's okay. So I'm going to cut on the lines. If you have a ruler exactly like how I have it, like the same as mine, then for one of them just cut them a bit smaller and it will be all fine. Or you could just leave them all the same size. we're gonna slowly cut. If you want your one to be perfect, slowly cut, because sometimes when you cut very fast, you can get like a lot out of the lines. So cut out 2 petals. Okay, so we're gonna cut all around like that. We're gonna go, and we're done. So this is all going to go. Okay, so that's how it looks, and you can either get your ruler and put it like that if you want it really straight, or if you think it won't be really straight, then you don't have to use the ruler. So we're just gonna do that. Then the next one, kind of like a chair. Or even a flower. So we're gonna do the last one. Okay, so once you've done that, fold one of them down, then the one next to it, and the one next to the second one, and then with the last one, you're going to tuck one side in, another one. So this one, I'm gonna have to make it a bit smaller. Let's see if I have to. Oh no, wait. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make this one a bit smaller, because sometimes it can be a bit too big. Not too small, because then it'll be too small that it won't really be made properly. So I'm gonna cut around. Okay. So we're gonna fold this side in, or you could do the other way. So I'm gonna do that. And this side's gonna tuck in. There we go. So we got the swirl pattern just there. So we're gonna start decorating it. So I'm just going to write a few things. There we go. Let's make sure you can read that properly. And then this one we're gonna write and share, and I'll see you guys so I just wrote subscribe, like, and share. I'm gonna go into the middle, and I'm gonna draw some things. So maybe if you're doing this as a birthday card, you could draw a cake and some balloons. So I'm gonna draw a big cake. And then you could just do some patterns on it. Like that. And then over here. Like that. And some candles. Perfect. So now we're gonna do some balloons. So we're gonna make it that way, then gonna draw something like that. Then you're going to draw a squiggly line or a straight line, then a little triangle, and a big oval or a circle, anything that's the shape of a balloon. You could also do heart balloons. There are some heart balloons. So we're gonna do a heart balloon. There we go. And we're just gonna do one more balloon. There we go. So it's behind both of them, if you can see there. And over here, you can just write a little thing. So we're going to make a little box. Just like that. And for the last one, we're going to do maybe some shapes. So I'm going to do a shape, a line, a shape, and a little line. There we go. We're going to write some things inside. May. So far I've wrote happy birthday. May this day always be remembered. Then a little cute love heart. And over here, you could maybe draw like anything. So I'm gonna write so as you can see, I just wrote it's your birthday. So you can color them in. So I'm gonna take a red and just color in this part. You guys can do it any color that you like. So I'm just gonna do some bit of coloring. And then for the cake, we are going to twist this around and copy some designs. You can add some too. There we go. And we're gonna do that. So that's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!